Hello everybody. Okay, so please forgive me. I am tired. We have been working out here for almost 3 hours. It's that time of the year where we just have to get things done and we're not moving as fast as we used to, so we're just really having to get things done. But we have the asparagus bed that we built, showed you on a video, and I did want to go ahead and film for you how we're putting in the asparagus, because there's very, very little information out there about asparagus in raised beds. So let me go on ahead and turn you around real quick. Okay, so mom's just dumping some compost and manure. They do like a nice loamy soil, but we've got this at least 1 brick deep because we're going to put this down, these little clusters that you see here, and then we put, it's 3 inches of soil over the top, right Mom? Yeah. 3 inches, then we wait for it to come up, and then you put another 3 inches, and then you wait for it to come up, and then you let it be. And you let it be, okay? Don't get too excited, because if you get too excited about it, they won't get excited, they'll just die. So I'm going to help Mom get the rest of this compost and manure in here just to give them some extra nutrients to start with. We've had them soaking for 1.5 hours just till they got soft, because you don't want the root strands to be brittle, because you have to spread them out so they look like a spider on top of the soil, okay? I will try and get a good shot of that. I'm going to be frank, I'm running on my cell phone right now. Did not have the energy to go get the big camera, so I will try and get a shot of what it looks like before we put it on, but I'm not making any promises. So I'm going to go on ahead and I'm going to begin the hyperlapse now for you, okay? Let's go.
So this is the crown where the plant will come off of, and these are all its little roots. When you're planting in a bed, you don't have to do hills and valleys with it, but you do need to get the dirt up underneath so you can get the roots all spread out.
Yeah, you don't want to just lay them on their side. You want them spread out like an octopus.
All these crowns,
that's what it's called,
have to be point up. That's where the plant's going to come up.
So if it's not up and it's growing sideways in the dirt, you're going to end up having a dead plant. And somehow we managed to get, what was it, 11?
11.
And we ordered 10, so they gave us, I guess, a freebie.
I'm okay with that.
That happens occasionally. Companies will do that. They're nice. Okay, so now we've got them up, and what we're going to do is we are going to carefully take our soil and put a 3-inch layer on the top. Sorry, I'm a little winded. Happens when your diaphragm doesn't work right. Okay, so we've got this baby done. Now all we're gonna do is we're gonna wait, just like we're waiting on the potatoes. Okay, that video is coming. I have a potato video coming, I promise. I'm gonna wait for those to pop up, another 3 inches. When they pop up the next time, they get left alone. Best kind of garden bed ever invented. It's the kind you gotta do nothing to. So I've got a few things that I need to water, and then I need to get in because I'm beyond exhausted. So I'm gonna go on ahead and sign this short video off. So as always, keep it simple, natural, and essential, guys. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.